Well, hello there. How's this for a scary look? You know, this is the latex face that I wore in October to the London Games to see the Jags. And admittedly, it's definitely seen better days now, but it's served me really well and got lots of attention. As you can see though, it's quite basic, but effective at a distance. And what I'm hopefully going to show you today is how to do a similar face paint on the mannequin underneath for a child. So for a child, I'm not going to use the face paints that I used at the London Games because they're alcohol based. So what we're going to do today is go back to the good old Snazaroo paints and 3, maybe 4 colours. So here we have Snazaroo White, Snazaroo Black. Now these are water based, you just mix them with water, so it's not going to sting the eyes or anything. That's the tan. And maybe, just maybe, if you're feeling adventurous, as it's a Jag's face, we're going to use teal.